In today's video, I am going to teach you how to test an email flow in Klaviyo. Testing a flow email is an important final check before you rely on it to send to real customers. A good test confirms that your layout looks right, your links work, and your personalization renders the way you expect. It also helps you catch small issues like spacing problems on mobile, missing images, or text that gets cut off in the inbox preview. To begin, log into your Klaviyo account and look at the left-hand sidebar. Click Flows. This takes you to the area where all of your automated sequences live, including welcome flows, abandoned cart flows, and post-purchase follow-ups. Next, find and select the specific flow you want to test. Once you open it, you will see the visual flow builder, with the different steps laid out as blocks. Locate the email you want to review and click directly on that email block. Make sure you click the actual email step you want to test, especially if your flow has multiple emails, since each one can have different content and settings. With the email block selected, go to the top right corner and click Preview and Test. This is where Klaviyo lets you see the message as it will appear when delivered, and it also lets you send a test version to an inbox. In the Preview and Test area, click Preview with a profile. Using a profile preview is helpful because it can populate any dynamic fields that depend on subscriber data. This gives you a more realistic view of what a recipient will see, including any conditional sections you may have added to the email. When you are ready to send the email to yourself for a real inbox check, click Send Test. Enter your email address in the field provided, then click Send. Use an address you can access right away so you can review the message immediately. After you receive the test email, scan it carefully. Check the subject line, pre-header, images, buttons, and links, and confirm the content reads smoothly. That covers everything you need to know.